Nagihatag diri si mami nga pangtanom ba. Kani talong, kalabasa, at pipino. 3 days na niya. Natubuan na siya o pipino. Ito, kalabasa. Ito, gloves mo. Dapat ba, diba? Yes.
Gloves.
Diba? So, big gloves. Yay. Oh, let's go. Malaki kasi.
Okay.
It's big. Dapat pala naglagay ka ng off lotion. Dami lamok. Let's put off lotion. It's not working. Working. Working.
Gloves.
This is big for you kasi. Ano?
Sheep.
What's that?
Sheep.
No, it's a cow.
Cow?
Yeah.
No, it's cow.
Yeah.
Hi, Dam.
Say hi.
Hi.
Come here. Tired, Dam?
Tired.
Class.
Gather.
You get the walis?
Right?
Yeah.
No.
Why? You're tired?
Tired.
Wear your boots.
No.
You're tired na?
Tired. Pew, pew. Do that.
May tanom. Nabuhi ba ya?